Hey, I'm Luke Andries with Schulte Industries, and here today we are at the National Farm and Machinery Show, and I want to do a walk-around video and explain to you our features and benefits of having an XH-1500. I'm going to start with the tongue here. This is an optional equal angle hitch, and what the equal angle hitch does, instead of pivoting on your drawbar, it moves your pivot point back to here. So now, with this extra feature, you lose the need for a constant velocity shaft. It makes it about 35 pounds lighter for unhooking and hooking, and it's also about half the replacement cost of your shaft. This is an option. Moving up here to the splitter box, it is a 260 horsepower splitter box on this unit, and then it runs out to the 225 horsepower down box. The down gearboxes do have a 3-inch shaft in them, and we have a 6-year gearbox warranty on this. This unit comes standard with double leveling rods that are enclosed and hydraulic phasing cylinders. We'll cover that here in the back. Okay, here's the undercarriage of the XH-1500. First of all, if you got a 1/4-inch stump jumper pan here, as you can see by these rings, this pan is spun, it's not pressed. So it gives you a better balanced pan as well as more durability, so you don't have the ripples to where the damage occurs when you hit something. We have the 3/8-inch deck ring. Up on the side walls of the unit, you have a 1/4-inch side wall versus the 7-gauge. We have all these extra gussets to add strength for longer life. We have a thick wall tubing on the bottom side of the wing and the bottom side of the center section. Moving here to the center of the pan, this is a 3-inch down shaft. This particular unit has 5-inch blades. If you don't need the 5-inch blades, you can get an optional 4-inch as well. So the blade bolt of this unit is a pentagon bushing, and there's a lot of benefits to this. So this unit will never seize up on you. You will never need a torch to remove this blade. It'll always come loose. If for some reason this bushing gets damaged, you can go on the back side of your pan here, which is a 1-inch plate, and then you have extra gusset going down. You can grind the weld of this bushing out and replace it, so you don't have to replace the whole pan unit. Lots of extra benefits and features of this. All our decks, wherever there is a hollow spot, is 100% welded. There's no seam welds to allow debris to get behind there and rot your deck from the inside out. The front and rear on this XH model has thick-walled square tubing. You'll see all the extra gussets in here. This thing is built to last. Double chains, safety chains are standard on this unit. You can get the belting option. I'm going to move on to the back here. Okay, the back of this XH model, we have the optional tire of forklift foam filled tire. I pushed this tire myself because you have a lot more cleat on this. It's not going to go flat. You can get on the side of a heel and it will grab a little bit better and keep your tire spinning. Standard walking axles on this unit for a smoother ride. You can definitely tell the difference in the cab of the tractor when you have walking tandems. It's just a lot easier on the cutter. We do have phasing cylinders for the leveler system here. If you want to set your depth, you just put a depth control in the center cylinder and it will set the wings to the height of the center. We do have the rubber suspension, which is a softer rebound and max out for return. We have what we call wiper blades for hinge points on these. So what the wiper blades do is just keeps trash from sitting on this one spot. So when you fold and open this wing, it will push debris through there. We don't grease our wings because in the applications that these cutters are in, grease attracts grit, which becomes a grinding compound. So we ask people not to grease. Okay, so what I want to explain to you is these phasing cylinders. If you're going up on a hill and your wheels go up, your wings will go up to match it and it will run level on the surface for you. The phasing cylinders, you don't have to have linkage to connect the wheel standers together for leveling rods. So what that does is moves the center wheel section forward on your cutter. And with a shorter center section, it allows you to go over berms without scalping the ground or touching it. These also have standard double leveling rods that are enclosed on top of the deck. This unit is required horsepower, minimum requirement horsepower is 65 tractor horsepower. It does weigh approximately 5,800 pounds as well. For more information, visit us at www.schulte.ca or a nearest dealer near you. Thanks for watching.